It's very hot. So Abby and I, morning, my G's. How you guys doing? How you gangsters doing? Blah, 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 blah. What day is it today? It's a Thursday. It's a Thursday. We are at McDonald's in Bloom. The offspring and I are driving down home. So yeah. Thank you, Elsewak. Thank you so much. No problem. So yeah, we ordered our food. Let me put you G's here. We ordered our food and I ordered a latte and it's only arriving now after we've eaten. So yeah, I told my son I'm not going to make a scene. I'm going to be a good customer. So yeah, I'm having my latte, and from here on we where we going? Oh, we're gonna go pour petrol. Then we shoot home. We shoot home. Never mind, I'm looking all scruffy and ratchet. It's okay, it's the order of the day. I'm in the car and I'm driving. Nobody gonna see me except you dudes. So yeah, here's Abby's sugar. I want some sweetness in my life today. Don't judge. Don't judge. Our next stop will be in Colesberg. Yeah, we're stopping in Colesberg. Stretching the legs, peeing. Those that want to pee can pee. No, you can pee now. Yeah. I should have actually gotten iced coffee. It's okay. So yeah, my juice. We are going to finish and then we'll be heading out. Check you guys later. Hey my G's, hey my G's, hey my G's. It's your girl Timz, back at it again. Happy Friday. It's a Friday morning. It is 26 minutes past 10 o'clock. I just finished taking a bath. I think you guys can see my background. I am in a completely different background. I am at home. So yeah, my G's. Today is Friday. I just quickly want to go run a couple of errands in town. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys with, but yeah, I will. There will be an exclusive day where I take you guys with me. So yeah, I'm in the Eastern Cape. I'm at home and the kids are already up. Schools are closed. And yeah, so one thing about schools closing, abantwana, yo, then you must fix them breakfast, then you must fix them lunch, then you must, but anyways, let me put cream on my body and get dressed, and then I'll check you guys later on. Bye. Hey my G's, hey my G's, hey my G's. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Timz. I'm outside having some what am I having? I'm having some, hold on. That's what I'm eating. Some chips, bread, and cold drink. So, yeah. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's a Saturday. The sun is out today. Yesterday, we arrived in the Eastern Cape with rain. Thursday. Yesterday was hectic. Yesterday was flipping cold and raining. Today the sun is out, so at least we are getting a bit of a break from the rain. Yo, bye. So I thought, let me just come chill here. My mom has a visitors and the kids are inside and we have load shedding. Sure. So let me just come chill here at the spot where my dad used to chill. My dad loved the spot. It's by our front door and he would just sit here and just watch. Let me show you guys. So there's a wall now. They've built a wall and I'm sitting here. So let me show you guys the veranda. So that's our front door and I'm sitting here. So yeah, my G's, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. I needed to come home. I needed to come home and just see my family and go see my dad. You know, I haven't seen him in a minute, and I know when I say I haven't seen him, it's not face to face. It's just being able to visit him at his resting place and just vent out or pour out if I want to. Basically, in the body, you know. So I did that yesterday. I went to him and just say my 2 cents, and I felt way much better after that. So let me put you guys here. You guys can see me. So yeah, we're gonna go and clean, obviously, and just make sure that his resting place is clean and ushapo. And then we'll check on the uncle, then we'll check on the aunties, and definitely check on my brother also, just to see if their resting places are still in one piece. I did check. I went to all of them yesterday when I went there, and yeah, they still safe and intact and in one piece. So that's one thing I'm glad about. So yeah, I'm coming from town and eating and basically waiting for the electricity to come back. Then we do movies. It's movie day today for me and the kids. My sister she's working on a farm. My man is calling me. Can you believe it? My man is calling me on WhatsApp now. Now I have to answer him. Just hold on, my G's. Hey, my G's. Nizibonele ke bandla, Shem, nizibonele. So yeah, let us continue working. Later, bells. Uzangichazela nemama uma ugqibela ubhaka. Uphandle uzangichazela xa ugqiba ubhaka. Xa ugqiba ubhaka uzangichazela. Xa ugqiba ubhaka. Okay.